Artificial intelligence, or AI, has rapidly transformed various industries. Its ability to process vast amounts of data quickly enables more efficient decision-making, personalized experiences, and innovative solutions. In healthcare, AI assists in diagnosing diseases with greater accuracy, predicting patient outcomes, and even discovering new treatments, ultimately saving lives. On the other hand, the increasing reliance on AI raises concerns about job displacement. As machines become capable of performing tasks traditionally done by humans, many fear the loss of employment opportunities. This creates a need for reskilling workers to adapt to a changing job landscape where AI technology takes precedence. AI also enhances productivity by automating tasks, freeing up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. This can lead to greater job satisfaction and improved organizational efficiency, as employees can engage in work that truly requires human insight and creativity. However, the ethical implications of AI cannot be ignored. Issues such as data privacy, surveillance, and biased algorithms result in societal concerns. AI systems, if not carefully monitored, may perpetuate existing biases or make decisions that are unfair and discriminatory. In education, AI provides personalized learning experiences, catering to the individual needs of students. Adaptive learning platforms assess a student's progress and tailor educational content accordingly, ensuring that no one is left behind and that everyone progresses at their own pace. Conversely, there is a risk of over-reliance on technology in the educational sphere, potentially diminishing critical thinking and problem-solving skills. If students rely too much on AI for answers, they may struggle to develop essential cognitive abilities that are crucial for their future. AI technology has revolutionized customer service through chatbots and virtual assistants, providing instant support and assistance. This allows businesses to improve response times and customer satisfaction rates, ensuring that inquiries are addressed 24/7 without the need for human intervention. Yet, a purely automated customer service experience can lead to frustration when complex issues arise. Many customers prefer human interaction, especially when dealing with sensitive matters. This necessitates a balanced approach that combines both AI and human support. Nevertheless, the question arises, can AI truly understand the depth of human emotion or the nuances of creative expression? Critics argue that while AI can mimic creativity, it lacks the genuine experience and emotional depth that human artists bring to their work. As we navigate the advantages and disadvantages of AI, it is crucial to foster responsible innovation. Collaboration between technologists, ethicists, and society is essential to harness AI's potential while addressing the challenges it presents. Looking ahead, the future of artificial intelligence is filled with promise yet remains uncertain. By carefully considering its implications, we can create a world where AI complements human efforts, enhances our capabilities, and leads to a better future for everyone.